Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a wish list on Temu. So let's get right into it. So first of all, what you have to do is you have to open up the Wishlist app on your mobile phone, or you can use the web version on your laptop. Once you reach to this particular page, then you have to scroll down. Simply you have to select the product that you want to add your wish list. Like I'm selecting this product and I've clicked on it, and here I will scroll down, and here you can see guys, save option. You have to hit on save, and this product has been saved into my wish list. Let's go back again. Just simply you have to hit on this product, scroll down and hit on save, and this product has been saved into my wish list. So let's see the wish list in our profile. So simply to see the wish list, we have to go on our profile, or we can go with these options. Just simply you have to go down, and here you will see wish list. Just click on it, and here you will see all your products you've added in your wish list. And that's it guys. This is how to create a wish list on Temu. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe. See you guys in the next one.